The Aufranc non-stick frying pan set is a great addition to any kitchen. This set includes 3 skillets of different sizes. You get an 11-inch pan, a 9.5-inch pan, and an 8-inch pan. This combination of sizes is very useful for different cooking needs. You can fry eggs in the small pan and cook larger meals in the big one. These Aufranc non-stick frying pan set skillets have a non-stick surface. This means your food will not stick easily while cooking. You will need less oil when you cook, which can be healthier. Cleaning these pans is also easy because food slides right off. The pans are compatible with all types of cooktops, including induction. This makes them a versatile item for any home chef. And the stay cool handles are a nice touch. The Aufranc non-stick frying pan set is also PFOA and PFAS free. This is important because these chemicals can be harmful. You can cook with peace of mind knowing these pans are safe. Many users find this set to be a kitchen legend because of its ease of use and cleaning. While this item is not clothing from Mexico, it is a valuable addition to your cooking tools, and the seller offers a good value for this type of set. Pros: non-stick, set of 3 11-inch skillet, 9.5-inch skillet, 8-inch skillet, induction ready. All cooktops, stay cool handle, PFOA free, PFAS free, easy to clean, versatile sizes. Cons: non-stick may degrade, food might still stick, uneven heating possible, smaller than expected. Quality concerns raised, bottom layer can wash off, handles may break, bent skillets reported. Durability questioned, potential for hot handles. Features: Aufranc brand, non-stick, frying pan set, 3 pieces, 11 inches, 9.5 inches to 8 inches. Induction ready, all cooktops, stay cool handle. This Aufranc frying pan set has 3 non-stick pans of different sizes, 11 inches, 9.5 inches, and 8 inches. These pans can be used on all types of stovetops, even induction. They have handles that stay cool when you are cooking. The non-stick coating helps food not to stick, and it is made without harmful chemicals called PFOA and PFAS. This set is from the brand Aufranc. This Aufranc frying pan set includes 3 non-stick skillets in sizes 11, 9.5, and 8 inches, which are compatible with all cooktops, including induction. The pans feature stay cool handles and are PFOA and PFAS free, making them easy to clean and versatile for different cooking needs. However, it's important to know that the non-stick coating may wear down over time, and there are some reports of food sticking, uneven heating, and the pans being smaller than expected. Some customers have also raised concerns about the overall quality, with issues like the bottom layer washing off, handles breaking, skillets arriving bent, and questions about their long-term durability, alongside a potential for the handles to get hot.